Okay, in this video we're going to look at circle theorems. It says find angles P and Q. So P is this angle here and Q is this angle here. Giving reason for your answer. O is the centre of the circle. So if we take this angle here and this angle here, so this angle here, we will see that P has to be equal to half of 56 because this is the angle at the circumference. So it's going to be equal to 28. So we have to give a reason. Angle at the circumference is half the angle at the centre. This is the centre, this is the angle, will be half of it. It's just a theorem, we just need to quote it. Right, for the second bit, find the second angle. The red bit here that I've just outlined is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic because all the four vertices touch the edge of the same circle, and then the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So we're going to say that this angle plus this angle is going to be equal to 180. So we say opposite angles, so we have to quote some theorem. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. And therefore P plus Q plus 84 must be equal to 180. If we take 84, we're going to get P plus Q must be equal to 96. Now we've already calculated P to be 28, so we can say that 28 plus Q is equal to 96, and therefore Q must be equal to 96 minus 28, which is 68 degrees. So we've given the reason and the angle, angle and the reason here. Okay, so this has been a video to use circle theorems. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.